Hey watchers, it's Darren again from Renovation Insider. Let's jump straight into today's topic, the 1960s kitchen. Kitchens from the 1960s were all about bright, kooky colours, everything from orange to lime green. Further, they also started incorporating modern designs with straight lines. These kitchens valued functionality and utilised every space available to them. This made them perfect for entertaining and enjoying company. This era probably had the first style of kitchen that was truly on display. Kitchens have often reflected societal and cultural changes throughout history. This trend can be easily seen in the kitchen design of the 1960s, being one of the most creative periods of modern history. The 1960s was a decade of liberation for many women, and you can see this reflected in the kitchen with the drive towards introducing new time-saving appliances, allowing greater flexibility in life in the workforce, as well as still being able to keep the household rolling. This is probably also reflected in the colours and textures being driven by a female buyer. One of the main time-saving devices was the microwave. In the mid-1960s, microwaves were built to sit neatly on top of domestic countertops. After this, the rest is history. The biggest improvement of modern kitchen design in the 1960s is the work triangle layout, consisting of 3 connected areas: the stove, the sink and the refrigerator. This made the area of the kitchen feel more open and more accessible. This trend even follows in today's kitchens. Next episode, we'll look into the kitchens of the 70s. Renovation Insider, a better way to start your home improvement.